This is my normal Samsung launcher. 𝕸𝕚𝕚𝕚.style, it's kinda unfinished, I know. Now with a link given to I in the description below. Download the app and follow these steps. Cat face with 𝕦𝕬𝕚, cat face with 𝕦𝕬𝕚𝕚. The name of the app is ILauncher. As you can see, it's going to give you a complete iOS style device. Press allow. Everything. You guys can support 𝕃𝕚𝕚𝕚 for more updates too. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Make this your default launcher for complete use in immersion. And now we wait. Ta-da! So iOS style, wow. But it's so boring. Let's customize it, yeah? As usual, press allow. Now allow the accessibility stuff. Now you've got iOS style, lock screen. Now all is left is to customize it. 3. Go to wallpaper.to edit your lock screen. You can choose from the one that they show or just use the ones from Pinterest. You can also edit it and add widgets. No custom ones unfortunately. Choose your picture from your gallery, download it in Pinterest. Now let's customize it by changing color and font. Ta-da! And now set it as your lock screen. By pressing done and then now let's edit the home screen wallpaper. Same thing. And now that it's set, let's do the most hard part, editing the icons. Minutes later. Finally, now that I'm halfway done, let's do widgets. Squinting fit. For widgets I recommend 𝕸𝕚𝕚𝕚, mico, action blocks. But if you don't have those apps, you can use the custom point one built in this. Hold press the widget, then it will show this. Press the plus and choose a picture of your liking. And so on till you get your iPhone launcher looking cutesy face with tongue. Yeah, know that wasn't in match lock. Anyway, this part is just me customizing. Skip to where you see an icon. Eyes. change the layouts, color, and style. I'm gonna go with 𝕸𝕦𝕚𝕚 style cause my phone is based like that. Ta-da! Now you can see the app's names without having to change your wallpaper . Anyways, now I'm just renaming some stuff to be cuter. You can also rename the applications you got to your liking. Like for example with Pinterest. And you can also change the animation. This is a new and cool feature, face with hand over mouth, face with hand over mouth. Now let's set up the notification and control center. You can change the color style and size to your liking. Now let's set up control center. You can change the color of it and add a picture if you like. Now assistive touch you can change the color size or change it to a picture if you want. And that's it, guys.